bob dim decidio mynd yn fucked up. Hackio system, ddo. Hack the system. Wwan dwi'n iawn. O'n i efo 4 viewers cyn hynna. 4 viewers. Dwi efo 0 viewers rhan. Hei, ydych chi iawn? Ai, dath... O'n i wedi bod yn potsian yn gwmpas, really, efo integration Discord fi. A dda just bach yn tita, really. That's about it. Dim byd intense. Dwi wedi bod yn lot o Cyberpunk yn ddiwedd cos dwi wedi bod yn gwachod yr anime. A o'n i eisiau stopio chwarae Cyberpunk, so... Ac o'n i'n rili'n gwybod be all i chwarae, so... Ti'n mynd fucked up fyd, e? Dim yn fucked up, really. Dwi'n gwybod pam dim yn fucked up. First world problem. Mae wedi tynnu Overwatch atho category yn Twitch. Di game yma ddim yn dod allan am wsos arall. Di hwn ddim yn Overwatch 2. Os a ddim Overwatch 1 yn Twitch i mwy. Ond Overwatch 2 sy'n na. Wel, pan mae Overwatch 2 mynd yn live, yn tynnu Overwatch 1. So, ar ôl 4th of October, ti'n methu cael Overwatch 1. So, os ti efo PS4, os ti efo physical copy o'r game, y ffordd dwi ddall ydi, ti'n y game ma fewn, a ti'n, haha, lol, di hwn yn mwy, downloadio hwn. Ond mae y rheswm dim yn big deal dim Overwatch 2 free to play. A dwi'n meddwl mae bob dim Overwatch 1. Bod dim ti'n locio'n ceriad drosodd. Ond mae bob un cymeriad Overwatch 1 am ddim yn Overwatch 2 from the get-go. Os ydw dwi'n dall o. Ond y ffaith, so, mae yna couple of days ar ôl. Mae yna crossplay oes. So, dwi'n meddwl unig isio y crossplay ydi, fydd rhaid i'r os di console a PC yn mixio, fe rhaid i'r console players mynd at PC players yn y pool, mae'n hwnnw pools yna. Ond ie, pa'n yn dod i Overwatch 1, some point, disgwyl am Overwatch 2 allan ar y 4th, swn i. Cos mae Overwatch 1 yn retail product, Overwatch 2 ddim. So mae'n bach yn weird. Hefyd, big news i fi, de. Nes i ffoni BT ddoedd i holi amdan pryd oedd fibre to prem yn dod i ardal fi. A thyn nhw'n dweud, it's already here. So ar y 19th of October, dwi'n cael full fibre i tu, 900 meg. So 900 meg download, 180 meg upload. So dwi'n buzzing am hynna. Dwi'n byw ben yn hyn, hollol overkill, dwi'n hollol ddim angen o. Ond, yeah. A hynny bod dwi'n 67 down, 18 up. O streamio yn cymryd y 7. So... Fastest memer in the West yn hollol... Ac oedd wedi meddwl de, fatha... So ni'n gallu dechrau fatha streamio stwff off tu fi. So os o pobl gallu gyrru fatha camera. So dwi'n nabod lot o pobl sydd ddim yn licio streamio. Ond licio syniad y streamio ond overwhelmed. So o'n i'n meddwl, so ni'n gallu cynnig services fi pobl. Dim am pres yn fi gwir o fel. Ond so nhw'n gyrru gameplay fi, a so nhw'n gyrru camera fi, so ni'n gallu streamio fo iddyn nhw. A ni'n dod neis yn OBS i nhw. Cos, mae'n gwneud fi, mae'n dda, fucking Matrix neu Cyberpunk, fydd internet yn syth cefn y pen. So, yeah, today's a good day. Ond eisiau beth i treat hynny. A hefyd, dwi wedi cael Kids Cat newydd. Dwi wedi cael Kids Cat Dark Mint. Heddiw. Dark Mint Kids Cat heddiw. A to be? Nice. Sophisticated sy'n gael o. Dwi'n ystyried. No word of a lie. Ti be lot nhw. Dwi efo hwn sorted yn dysgu. So weithio mae gen... dwi fatha Limi yn gyfi wastad profile ar y go am y gameplay fi'n gwybod na. So, Kit Kat. So dwi fancy cael... Fel hwn sydd wedi bod yn Japan, dwi wedi bod yn Japan, obviously. Dwi wedi cael rhagflas ar lot ohonyn nhw. Ond dwi'n awyddus iawn i wneud stream. O, lle ma'n nhw? Ond un efo shitloads of flavours. Overwatch, na di. O, 35 quid i'r Battle Pass. Mae Overwatch 2 yn free to play. Mae'n free to play. Y Battle... So, dwi wedi prynu Battle Pass cos dwi'n fucking stupid. Ond dwi eisiau cymeriad newydd. So, i'n prynu cymeriad newydd, rhaid i either grindio lot neu prynu fo. Ac os, ie. Dwi... Yeah. If you're a new player, you'll see on 4th of October the ability to come in and download and play Overwatch 2 for free. So... A dwi'n meddwl ti'n cael pob... Ti'n cael... Dwi'n dweud beth ti'n cael. So, yn y Battle Pass 1, ti'n unlockio hi a hi straight away yn y Battle Pass. A wedyn, ti'n unlockio hi. Cos dwi'n weeb, I'm all about this. So dwi eisiau unlockio hi as soon as I'm in support class. Oh, beth yun? 2 epic skins, play. Overwatch owners log in and claim your free founders pack. What the hell? What yun? Dwi'n yna. Yeah. So mae gen i fi Overwatch 1 ar... Ond So, dwi'n meddwl ti'n cael y cymeriad... So, hein di cymeriadau Overwatch 1 i gyd. Cynnwys space a bod dim. Dwi'n meddwl ti'n cael hein i gyd am ddim. Yn Overwatch 2. Hein ti ddim yn cael. So, Watch Point Pack dwi wedi prynu. Yes, fe. So, mae'n PS4 fyd ar Xbox One. Lle mae'n dweud y crossplay? About. Dim yn esbonio'n... What heroes Overwatch? Oh my god, awful Overwatch. What heroes are in Overwatch 2 free? Dwi'n mynd dweud beth ti'n cael. Hwn bach yn weird though, cos troi'n free to play yma o. So, mi fydd na single player stuff, blwyddyn nesa. Fydd hynny'n costio pres, dwi'n meddwl de. So, mae'n reit... O na, Japanese Kit Kat yma. Ta gai hwnna pryd dwi'n meddwl i. Ie, mae'n misleading iawn, dwi'n meddwl. I rywun, so, dwi'n Overwatch 1 player. So, dwi'n meddwl gwybod. Mae o'n... Dwi'n meddwl. Mae o'n... Dwi'n meddwl dal 100% siŵr, chwaith. Ond dwi'n gwybod fod o'n free to play. Ond hynna dwi'n... Ond hynna dwi'n reit siŵr efo. Dwi'n cael panel gyntaf. Ond ia, mae Kit Kat stream incoming. Cofiwch, mae'r merg yma ar gael. Os ydych chi'n mynd i'r merch store, link below. Panel yma bosib rili da o hwn. A un sweet arall cyn mynd cyn gem. Ice Gems. O. Yn y stream dwytha nes i unlockio hwn. Bad ass di hwnna. What? Sut ti di na i hwnna? Trick of the trade. Os eisiau rhywbeth in focus, de. Llaw to. Byd hwnna? Well, just shoot you here. Shoots a boy man really boring. Oh. Beth o chwarae fo chwaith. Dwi'n iawn o'r alm. Iawn, chi'n meddwl i sbio... Chi'n meddwl high-end play. Dwi'n meddwl mae'n sych, actually. Mae'n sych. Sy'n nath i'n lad belg dy ti. Nes i'n joio. Gweitha'r canlyniad. Ydych chi'n manage yn ei bod dim ydych isio? Ie, cwrw Ewrop yn cychwyn, eitha 5% rili yndi. Cofio rhywun yn dweud fi fod Carlsberg Prydain yn wannach da Carlsberg Denmark. A mae fatha rheol a tax. 8% yn Brussels. Ie. Yeah. Dyn nhw'n yn binge drinker fan yna di, hynna di thing, ie. Good push, good push, fan'na. Top 3 hangovers gorach di rioed. Ta be? Dwi di diseidio yn ddiweddar dwi ddim yn licio hangovers. Go. Basta, ti'n gael? Casgio yn caffe ar soffa am 2 awr. Oh my god. Full on, lle. Oedd hi'n full on. Dwi... Oedd moch chi, o'ch chi'n mynd o syth yn ôl ydyn? Pwysio allan. Pwysio allan fel ti'n dweud o. Ni ben yn hyn bai iddo fan'na dyn. Oh no. So, oedd y cysgu efo'r hangover ta cysgu... Bastard! I ddau ar y Gwenar, Hegar. A, chdi'n gair dydd ydyn? Dim byd fancy. Train World yn class. Wff, hegar. Is di manager cael noson iawn o gwrs at least? Ta na ddo. Mae'n swnio reit full on. Woo, good win, good win. A so ges ti'n osod o gwrs lle? Mae'n iawn, at least.
Tactical visor activated.
Enemy contact.
Score 1-0.
I can't wait to get into the fight. Attack the objective.
Train World yn... So chdi'n argymell Train World i rwy'n sef di bod? Faint fewn i tren sa chdi fod i enjoy a Train World? Ydyn rhywbeth o dda, ti'n cael absolutely lyfio trens? Neu allu di fatha, sa rhaid chdi appreciate y trens, neu chdi absolutely lyfio trens? Neu allu di none train lovers? Mynd yna, enjoyo. Oh, shit. Oh, come on. Come here, Reina. Come here, Reina.
Back into the fray.
Locking down the objective.
Dwi'n lyfio tren ond dwi ddim yn Okay, fair enough.
Out of my way.
Be di barn chdi am y boi TikTok trends na? Be di o, Francis neu François na? Be di barn chdi am y fo? Ti di gweld y boi Saesneg na sy'n really licio trens?
They're still fighting.
Be di enw fo? Rai angos clips i'ch dyn. François? François, dyn nhw fo?
Back into the fray.
Mae enw boi yn stuck yn... Dwi'n gwybod beth enw fan. Kom hier in.
They're still fighting me yet.
Yay, good 2-0 win fan'na. Be dyn fo? François. Please did she game. Is she good?
I've got you in my sights.
GG. GG. Oh, mae chat fi literally yn y lle wrong yma. Uffad yna fo. Tick-tock train guy. Hwn. Ti'n gweld y boi yma?
Today, I'm saying goodbye to 2 Class 43 HSTs, my favourite trains. They're going to the station in the sky, aka the scrapyard.
Na! Ti'n gweld y boi yma? Hwn, ti di gweld hwnna do? Ti di gweld y meme yna? Ti di gweld meme yna do? Fo ydi fo. Fo, ie. O pobl yn meddwl fod oedd simpleton a dyn nath o ddangos cared oedd oedd really, really hot.
I'm staying up extra late tonight to see a test train pull into Brighton Station. One of my favourite locomotives might be on it, so we'll just have to wait and see. It's 73962! Oh, it's it! It's it! Oh, quick, I've got to get round. I've got to get round to see it. This is beautiful 73962.
Henry.
What a beautiful locomotive she is. Check out all of the gear in there. The corner at 125 miles.
Yeah.
Crack of dawn to see the trees. We've woken up at the crack of dawn to see the Midland Pullman HST. Boy, am I ready to see it. Come on, honk for me, please.
Ond efo limiter gyda fi.
I'm train spotting on the West Coast Main Line today.
Yeah, volume yn iawn efo fo.
Bank around the corner at 125 miles an hour. Here we go.
Hyn.
Wave. Moving. Oh. Oh, there's two. Oh, crossover.
Ie, dwi'n gwybod pam yn isal, dwi'n gwybod jyst y fideo hyn,
I
dio.
think there's another one. Please. Please, hold.
Ond edrych yn...
Yes!
Wait! Did you download this paper? Then don't press submit. Grammarly helps you clean up your messy, confusing sentences to get your point across clearly.
Ie, pam yn isal gyda fi?
Hello YouTube, it's a very quiet Sunday morning here at Scarbeck Station in the north of Brussels. I'm of course here to visit Train World. Diddy, diddy, diddy. Well, there's a carriage here, but it doesn't look like you can go inside. Judging by the bunting in the windows, I'm guessing they hire it out for parties.
Oké, go snel een uwch gewoon.
Today, I'm saying goodbye to two Class 43 HSTs, my favourite trains. They're going to the station in the sky, aka the scrapyard.
Edge audio. Oh.
I'm staying up extra late tonight to see a test train pull into Brighton Station. One of my favourite locomotives might be on it, so we'll just have to wait and see. It's 73962! Oh, it's it! It's it!
What power?
I've got to get round. I've got to get round to see it. This is beautiful.
Sorry, maar rood man.
Dick my
Oké, man.
butt.
Jeg just about this for siden. So about simple. But see them in the Vad see them in the Yugoba.
Remember the bog off offer from SafeStar UK? Well, it's back!
You know the one. You buy one, you get one free. I said you buy one, you get one free. Right now, for every single window and door that you buy, I'll give you another one absolutely free.
And you can still buy now and pay next year. Plus, there's flexible monthly payments to suit you. And SafeStar are still giving you free fitting.
Trust me, it's free fitting.
How are the
call
money sell?
0800 106 107. I said 0800 106 107 now.
Men limit ja.
For centuries, mankind has searched nature
Aye.
for value.
At SafeStar UK, it's that time of year when we've just got to shout about our new deals. And a buy one, get one free offer is not accepted! Right now, at SafeStar UK, for every new window and door you buy, they'll give you another absolutely free! Now that's something to shout about. Shh. And another thing, 0% interest-free credit is also available. And if that doesn't make you stop and listen, all you have to pay now is £1 deposit. So wherever you are, call 0800 106 107 and shout down the phone, SafeStar, I want your windows! So call 0800 106 107.
Disable or
Remember the bog off offer from SafeStar UK? Well, it's back!
You know the one. You buy one, you get one free. I said buy one, you get one free. I said buy one, you get one free. I said buy one, you get one free.
okay.
Remember the bog off offer from SafeStar UK? Well, it's back!
You know the one. You buy one, you get one free. I said you buy one, you get one free. Right now, for every single window and door that you buy, I'll give you another one absolutely free.
And you can still buy now and pay next year. Plus, there's flexible monthly payments to suit you. And SafeStar are still giving you free
OBS.
fitting.
Trust me,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
free fitting. So call 0800 106 107. I said 0800
Sure.
106 107 now.
Low.
Tommy, what's the X going on here? We're having new windows and doors fitted. You what? It's going to cost a pigging fortune, this lot. With SafeStar UK, we get to choose which offer saves us the most money. Either 55% off your lot, or we buy the windows and doors from the front of the house and get that one's free. And how we're going to pay? There's flexible monthly payments to suit everyone. You can even buy now and pay next year. And they'll even fit them free for you. So I want to rate me piggies? Call 0800 106 107. Pick up the pigging phone. That's 0800 106 107 now!
Remove. Yes. Steven. At dwi 'di ffwcio fe fyny go iawn wan. Cannon and ball.
106, 107, no!
Det dal men lite. Du det bättre onsdag.
Remember the bog off offer from SafeStar UK? Well, it's back!
You know the one. You buy one, you get one free. I said you buy one, you get one free. Right now, for every single window and door that you buy, I'll give you another one absolutely free.
And you can still buy now and pay next year. Plus, there's flexible monthly payments to suit you. And SafeStar are still giving you free fitting.
Trust me, it's free fitting. So call 0800 106 107. I said 0800 106 107 now.
Tommy, what's the X going on here? We're having new windows and doors fitted. You what? It's going to cost a pigging fortune, this lot. With SafeStar UK, we get to choose which offer saves us the most money. Either 55% off your lot, or we buy the windows and doors from the front of the house and get that one's free. And how we're going to pay? There's flexible monthly payments to suit everyone. You can even buy now and pay next year. And they'll even fit them free for you. So I want to rate me piggies? Call 0800 106 107. Pick up the pigging phone. That's 0800 106 107 now!
Ja, du som din det sign med gidet så
Remember
kallas.
the bog off offer from SafeStar UK? Well, it's back!
You know the one. You buy one, you get one free. I said you buy one, you get one free. Right now, for every single window and door that you buy, I'll give you another one absolutely free.
And you can still buy now and pay next year. Plus, there's flexible monthly payments to suit you. And SafeStar are still giving you free fitting.
Trust me, it's free fitting. So call 0800 106 107. I said 0800 106 107 now.
Today, I'm saying goodbye to two Class 43 HSTs, my favourite trains. They're going to the station in the sky, aka the scrapyard.
Ma hon gissar vet inte.
I'm a one-man apocalypse.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Han var det thing med
Let's keep the payload moving. Reload. Enough time. Thanks.
Bastard. Hwn yn isel oedd, pam o bod dim yn isel gyda fi?
Play of the game.
Dwi'n di... Os dwi'n nôl i fama? The capture. Bod dim eisiau boost, really. Dwi'n dim gael 10 fydd, cos dwi'n gwybod yn shit. Stream elements. Okay. Oh, dim ond yn un ydi, shit. Okay, dwi'n recordio volume y game, hefyd. O, mae dim mor isel gyda fi. 10. O, ti'n byd i'n ei chwaith. Ti'n byd dwi heb i'n ei chwaith. Ti'n byd dwi heb i'n neud. Hynna. Okay, mae'n ychafod hwn, wan. Let's have a look.
諦めんなよ
No,
諦めんなお前
What?
どうしてそこでやめるんだそこでもう少し頑張ってみろよダメダメダメやめ諦めたら周りのこと思うよ応援してる人たちのこと思ってみろってあともうちょっとのところなんだから俺だってこのマイナス10度のところしじみが取れるって頑張ってんだよ絶対やってみろ必ず目標達成できるだからこそ家の味だ
Let's put one on upside down.
諦めんなよ
Ti'n iawn?
諦めんなお前どうしてそこでやめるんだそこでもう少し頑張ってみろよダメ諦めたら周りのこと思うよ応援してる人たちのこと思ってみろってあともうちょっとのところなんだから俺だってこのマイナス10度のところしじみが取れるって頑張ってんだよ決定するの必ず目標達成できるだからこそネバーギブアップ諦めんなよ
Okej, vad är det?
諦めんなお前どうしてそこでやめるんだそこでもう少し頑張ってみろよダメ諦めたら周りのこと思うよ応援してる人たちのこと思ってみろってあともうちょっとのところなんだから俺だってこのマイナス10度のところしじみが取れるって頑張ってんだよ決定するの必ず目標達成できるだからこそネバーギブアップ
Never give up. Okej, så det är honom ja. Jättigt så va? Just det på honom gweithio. Ti'n clywed hwnna? Dwi'n yn ei sŵn bod dwi'n ei hwnna. Dwi'n mynd i glicio ar follower yn iawn. Ydy'n ei sŵn o'ch chdi? So ddim sŵn dod allan hwnna. What? Be am hwn? Sim sŵn o hwnna chwaith. Oh my god. Stream. Okej, så. Best. Be am Toma? Bydd yma na chwaith. Oh my god. Sound. Stream. And go to the properties of the browser source, okay. Properties of the browser source. Fo. Sbia, mae fan only. Dwi'n gwybod. Sorry. Ie, nes i bumpio fyny'r, nes i bumpio fyny'r audio. Ar gyfer hwnna. Mae hwnna o gwmpas y volume dwi'n siarad yn di.
Why you bully me? You fucking bitch, why you bully me? Why you bullying me, you fucking noob?
Ideal. Okay. Done. Let's see how the sausage is made. Okay, ta. Dwi'n mynd I fama.
I'm staying up extra late tonight to see a test train pull into Brighton Station. One of my favourite locomotives might be on it, so we'll just have to wait and see. The 73962! Oh, it's it! It's it! Oh, quick, I've got to get round. I've got to get round to see it. This is beautiful 73962. Dick my butt. What a beautiful locomotive she is.
Right, Andy.
Check out all the gear in there. 24-hour steam train will be blasting on through the station.
Hey, nu joy Weimar. Speel Weimar.
Here she comes.
Yeah.
Whoa! Goosebumps all over my body. Coming up now is a class 377 from Littlehampton to Southampton Central. Thank you. Whoa.
Oh, no, fake. Fake. Not fake.
I was just about to get the underground from King's Cross Station and I thought I
But
might
they
as well
call,
just check to see what's on the front of the Leeds service. And it's her.
Speel nuts te hyn, ta. Speel nuts te hyn, iawn. TikTok, dwi'n neud, iawn.
What a legend! That driver was such a legend.
Boing Gucci.
Honestly, just brought so much happiness to me then.
Oh, you have a Gucci.
Sure, you got your footing right, your back is protected, weight. Make sure, yeah. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. That's capturing the moment, isn't it?
Hey,
There you go. Okay, do it again then, please. No, don't push.
Oh.
Yes, one foot in front, the other one back. Fantastic.
Thank you. Well done.
Never push.
Tesco are very forward-thinking in their food and drink distribution. They have trains specifically for food and drink distribution instead of on the road. There's one coming through now. Thank you! 66428, thanks! Whoa! Oh. Full of food and drink. Less CO2 rail. This is what we need, ladies and gentlemen. Less CO2 rail. Oh. I'm here at Blenheim Palace to drive the train. I'm going to try and do 100 tones through the tunnel. '73. 73. I'm here next to Manchester Piccadilly Station, at the site of Mayfield Depot. As you can see by the old platform here, down below, this used to be a Royal Mail sorting office, and now it's an awesome club called the Warehouse Project.
Oh, ti di clywed am Sam Ryder? Sam Ryder, de? Sam Fender. Nath o'r stage efo Sam Fender. Sam Fender, sorry. Nath o'r, Nath o'r stage efo ei scooter. Ie, dim hwnna. O, na, mae'n un gwell o hwnna. Hwn. Ie. Mae'n chwarae'n fyw o flaen miloedd o bobl. Ie. Nath o cael y boi ma ar stage yn ei flips o fi scooter. Ond, o, dwi, mae'n lot yn yr, Oce, gwrs yma sain hwn, wan. Gwyd yma sain hwn yn, oce. Dwi wedi beefio fyny sain hwn, wan, so gan i o beth sy'n digwydd. Dwi'n bach y Sam Fender, de. Hypersonic Missile. The Star Wars. King of the Galaxy. Fighting for you and me. Fighting for... Dwi'n mwyn cofio rest yma. Ath Lim i binio Subnautica heddiw do. A, binio y game lorries na do. Oedd just gael digon efo Subnautica dwi'n meddwl do. Mae'n trydu to i fi chwarae fyd yndi.
You should be. I suppose I'll be patching you up, as usual. It is remarkable to find a vast
Star Wars.
Who is responsible for your upkeep?
Ddim yn gyfer shit yn wyna di, mae'n just o dda. Cos wedi dechrau night streams eto do.
Keep an eye on your health and call for me if you need assistance. Damage output increased. I'm taking care. Damage increased. You needed a doctor? Damage amplified. We make a great team.
Bet. Paid am ni gyddiad. Doedd yr ôl chdi.
Where does it hurt? I'm with you. Team up for special attack.
Push your health.
I'm taking care of you. For your safety, please leave behind the barrier.
Objective A captured.
A good push.
Attack on objective B.
Let's get you back out there. Sniper, be careful. I'm taking care of you. Your support has arrived.
O, gys i fyny. Na da. Na, ia.
A clean bill of health. Heroes never die.
Bastard!
Nerf this.
Triple kill.
Oedd yn chwarae lot o Overwatch o blaen beth, so dwi'n gwybod sut o...
Let's get you back out there. performance levels.
Come on.
I'm taking care of you.
Hey, fuck, mae Honson yn it, dyn nôl.
Healing stream engaged.
Oh, mate, ti'n serious?
Let me get you.
Team up for special attack.
Und wo geht's jetzt? Ich kümmere mich um dich. Heroes never die.
Gesio fyny.
A speedy recovery.
Ie, so dwi'n meddwl mae limit, dwi'n meddwl mae lot o streamers yn styglo be i chwarae, de. Ne bod dwi'n cael chwarae hwn. Dwi'n gwybod ddim mor entertaining, wan. Ond mae'n dal yn cael ei fi streamio.
You needed a doctor?
Stad, da ni'n pwysio nôl yn. Pwysio nôl.
Back in the fight. Where does it hurt?
Captain Junkrat, ready to set fire.
Team up for special attack.
Heroes never die. Let's get you back out there. Helden sterben nicht. We're out of time. Attack! Ich kümmere mich um dich.
Bastard, da ni'n gael overwhelm yma. Pwt i'r boi yma sy'n really crap. Oh! Oh my god! Defeat. Defeat. No.
Play of the game.
Oedd o'n dda iawn o'r Rodriguez da. Oedd o'n reit crap, really. Wel, pam eisiau hwnna dda fo. Os ti dal o gwmpas dy ti, dwi'n gwybod os oedd y sain yn iawn o fanna. Dwi wedi codi'r volume chydig bach i'r gameplay. Gobeithio fod o'n Memory na well, de. Mae iRacing. Mae iRacing yn dod i PS4.
Select your hero.
Right, well.
Justice will be done.
What a strange and fascinating molecular makeup. Could be worth examining. Thank you.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 1. Capture the objective.
Turn it up.
Bastard. Chris yn oedden ti. Ti di methu massive play efo na.
The objective is mine. Moira by your side.
Barrier activated. I am capturing the objective. Try and I'm on fire! God blinded!
No, 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 no.
Back and ready for more!
Shit.
It's power!
Bastard.
Again! Again!
The objective is mine.
Sgan ni...
Meteor strike!
O, di newid o.
I am ready to unleash coalition.
I am capturing the objective! Try and
So, mynd i healio fi ta? Na.
do I have
Y difa yma, da eisiau sortio. Bron na. Di. Woo! Gymera hwnna, de? Gymera hwnna. Pa games ti chwarae wan dod ti? Be di go-to games chdi wan? Dwi'n meddwl lot o bobl fo'n ruts dod yma I ffeindio game. Na pan dwi'n chwarae hwn. Ia. Fatha, as in, be di go-to game chdi dod yma? Hynna be di Overwatch I fi wan. O'n I methu penderfynu be i'n chwarae. A ma, so, faint o hir dwi dys... Ie, dim byd. Dwi di stopio chwarae iRacing am wan. Cos ma'n ffaff. Bastard. Zero Dawn. O ie. Oedd yr un gynta. Si platinum yr un gynta dwi'n meddwl. Si really enjoyo Horizon Zero Dawn. Dwi'n meddwl PS5 ar hyn o bryd I chwarae. Bastard. Iawn, dwi'n cael distracted mor hawdd, ie. Unig pan dwi'n licio hwn, li, cos mae o'n... Dim y gêm gwar yn y byd, ond mae just yn... O, so fi'n fucking clipio fo. Ie, ti di cael yr Ti di cael yr outfit fatha futuristic. Hwna, it's cool.
Meteor strike the objective. Gather it.
This objective must be ours.
Shit. So be dwi'n di ddal nôl some point.
This will restore you.
I feel like a new man. Come out and face me. Do I have your attention yet?
Bastard! Ie, dwi'n enjoyo fo, ta. Wedyn, gys i'n llawer o ysfam dy nôl. O, na.
No one can hide from my sight.
Wow. Dwi'n cofio, mae'n un ffeit bollocks lle ti'n cwffio fatha massive. Ti'n cwffio massive fatha T-Rex massive ma o dan ddiar. Cofio hynna. Ond y bol am hynna, o'n i'n gweud enjoyo fo da. Oes rhywbeth arall allan yr un amser na fo do? Bydd yr un aesthetic efo?
Everyone signed their life insurance policies?
I remember an eventful evening.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 3. Capture the objective. I sighted the enemy. I require assistance.
Bastard! Yn tell fi. Y takeover. O, dyna'n lle ti'n dan o, ti'n plygio chdi dy hun. Ti'n plygio stick chdi fewn. Ie, da ni'n colli hwn.
No one can hide from my sight.
Taking objective. Support requested.
Dwi'n cofio, really. Dwi'n teimlo atho nes i ddim, dwi'n meddwl. Dwi'n sgwini hynna dda, diawl. Ah, that's it on the fucking thing da. Dwi'n yn cofio sy'n honest efo chdi. Dwi eisiau cofio neud bo fi mor powerful gan i'n gallu. O'n i reit wimpy yn chwarae hwnna, dwi'n meddwl. Mae'r thing teleport yn cheap as hell. Bastard! Dwi'n mwyn cofio fi'n upgrade yr trap slots, de. Hynny, illa yr un o'n i'n...
There is still more to my tale.
Play of the game.
O, di... Ooh, okay. Ie, stealthy di thing fi fel arfer, dwi'n meddwl. Dwi'n cofio... Dwi'n meddwl cofio enjoyo'r bit lle ydych chi'n gallu mynd up close and personal, dwi'n meddwl. Ond, ti'n be'n yna blynyddoedd fi chwarae fo. So'r PS5 enhanced version ti'n chwarae lle?
Welcome to Ayuthia. Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
No healer, don't care me. Don't care. Only one healer class.
Personality synchronization 100%. Good to be back.
System check initiated. Green across the board and ready for action.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Capture the enemy flag.
Game 시작.
Moving on.
Bastard!
The enemy has taken your flag. Recover your flag.
Ella di bach yn amlwg o fanna.
Regeneration complete.
The enemy has taken your flag.
Intercept the flag.
Your team has the flag.
I have the flag.
Firing on all cylinders.
Ahead. Use caution.
The enemy has captured
Oh my god!
0 to your team has captured
I'm overloading!
Regeneration complete. Switching back to combat mode. Going free. Firing on all cylinders. That's very satisfying.
I still have use for you.
Locking on.
Your team has the flag. Your team has dropped the flag.
Being activated. No time to cool down.
Enemy flag.
Mobility increased. Stabilizing system core. Adaptive circuits engaged. Diva. Taking off. Nerf this.
You have the flag.
Personality module. I have the flag.
Flag drop. Flag drop.
What? Did she drop your flag? You made it flee our flag, not bollocks.
Enemy flag returned.
System reboot complete.
I need dash, I think I
The enemy has taken. Recover your flag.
Someone pick up our flag!
Focus with me.
The enemy recover your flag.
Flag
Your
secure.
flag was returned.
Push forward!
Adjusting angle of attack. Locking on. Back online.
Mae Bastion bach yn overkill yn fa man di.
Your team has dropped the flag. Your team has the flag.
Let's get you back out there.
Flag secure.
Your team has dropped the flag.
My servants never die.
Your team has the flag.
I have the flag.
Taking off. Target destroyed.
Your team has captured.
Executing flight maneuver.
Score 2-1.
Nerf this.
Bastard!
The enemy has taken your flag.
I need
Recover your flag.
Cover our flag.
Your flag was returned.
Focus with me. Flight routine activated.
60 seconds remaining.
Focus my target. Adaptive circuits engaged. Diva, booster on. Enemy contact. Personality duplication complete.
Whoa. That's starting stuck, kinda. I'm stuck. No way to go.
The enemy has taken your flag.
Learning from them. We need to get our
Recover your flag.
Flag is free. Someone recover it.
Overtime.
Nerf this. Get into cover.
Victory.
Good win.
Play of the game.
Nerf this.
Dwi'n go lootbox. Dwi'n di agor un lootbox arall wedyn. Dwi'n disgwyl y gem yma, a skill ond yn bit bach ond efo. Mae lot o'n fatha play within your means di lot o'n efo. So os ti'n dall limitations chdi, ti'n gallu cael gem really da yn hwn. Be mae hwn yn dysgu'n dda dros rhywbeth fatha Warzone o beth. Ti'n mynd gorau bod yn 0 to 0 fe yma. Mae'n mater o fatha hold back, yeah. Do what you can. Do what you can.
Welcome to Ayutthaya. Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
Dwi'n bod yn successful echo player. Nid i life ambition fi. Bod yn successful echo player. Okay, mae hynny i gilydd dwi'n meddwl.
Personality synchronization 100%. Good to be back. Is everyone ready?
Allow me to repair the damage.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Capture the enemy flag.
I'm taking the high ground.
Moving up.
Damn! Okay, well, inchy. That's not good. That's not a good sign.
Regeneration complete. Switching back to combat mode.
That enemy has taken them down. Recover your flag. That enemy has taken your flag. Recover your flag.
I need to get back in there.
That enemy has recover your flag. Your flag was returned. Your team has the flag. Your team has dropped the flag. Your team has the flag. Your team has dropped the flag. Enemy flag returned. Your team has the flag.
I have the flag. Heading back to base.
With bad feeling, I'm done. On.
Your team has dropped the flag.
Thank you.
Your team has dropped the flag. Your team has the flag. Your team has dropped the flag.
Mobility increased.
Enemy flag returned.
Ah!
Back online.
It's cool or some of that. I'm really good at the night.
Your team has the
Adaptive
flag.
circuits engaged.
Your team has dropped the flag.
Personality duplication complete.
Enemy flag returned.
Focus my target. Behind you. Flight routine activated. Repairing internal circuitry. Lock on my target.
Your team has the flag.
Who has the flag? Oh, that's me.
Name me. You fucking name.
Your team has dropped the flag. Your team has the flag.
Could have sworn my ultimate is charging.
Burning them down.
Oh shit.
This will restore.
Yay!
Your team has captured the flag.
My team.
Score
Back online.
1-0.
My team is doing well. On a Monday, dat is wel Monday.
Targets locked and eliminated. Executing flight maneuvers. Blocking enemy.
The enemy has taken your flag. Your team has the flag. Recover your flag. Your team has dropped the flag. The enemy has taken your flag.
Finishing them off.
Recover your flag.
No time to cool down. Flag
Your
secure.
flag was returned.
Stabilizing system core. Boosting up.
Personne n'échappe à mon regard.
Mark on my target. Adaptive circuits engaged. Diva. Failing out.
The enemy has taken your flag. Recover your flag.
Oh, c'est mon marrow.
The enemy has taken
Hwnna'n dodge. Oedd hwnna'n dodge.
Recover your flag.
I need to get back in there.
The enemy has taken you. Recover your flag. Your flag was returned. 60 seconds remaining.
Going through. Incoming.
Enemy flag! Back to me!
Your team has dropped the flag.
Adjusting angle.
Your team has dropped the flag.
Focus with me.
50 seconds remaining.
I've got you in my sights.
Enemy double, triple kill.
Neural adaptation complete.
Ten seconds remaining. Recover your flag.
Whoa.
Your team has the flag. Recover your flag.
Learning from that one.
Your team has dropped the flag. Your flag was returned.
Who has the flag? Oh, that be me.
Changing position. Locking on.
Nerf this!
The enemy has taken the flag. Recover your flag.
Regeneration complete. Switching back to combat mode.
Score 2-0.
Ja, så du med ennill, ni ve?
Your flag was returned.
Burning them down. Next target. Nice done.
Victory.
Yay, two wins out of 2.
Play of the game.
Un win arall, gael 2 lootbox ydyn. Eidio.
Well, the enemy has taken your flag.
Personality synchronization.
Pan ti'n rifio o'n tîm sy'n twt... Oh my god.
We must take back our flag.
No way, yn cael win y fama na do.
Defeat.
No recovery. No recovery. Da, 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 da. Highlights.
Welcome to Ayuthia. Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
No tank, no healer. Healer, actually.
Personality synchronization 100%. Good to be back.
Come on, big win on the cards, man. Big, big win.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Capture the enemy flag.
Do what I say and
Going free. Finishing them off.
enemy turret
Target offline. Repairing internal circuitry.
Llenw it's heavily
Enemy turret ahead.
fortified.
Enemy turret detected. You'd better learn quick. Enemy turret destroyed.
The enemy has placed a turret here.
Restoring health systems. Beam activated. Locking on.
Oh, for fuck's sakes! Så team skill of the fucking Hunza just.
Regeneration complete. Switching
The
back to
enemy has
combat
placed a
mode.
turret here.
Oh my god, Nicole. Llawer o luck. Oh shit, so there, man.
Personne n'échappe à mon regard.
Beauty.
Teleporter online. We move swiftly.
Lock on my target. Got this. Enemy. Recover your flag. Adaptive circuits engaged. Widowmaker. Reverting personality.
Ah!
Flag was returned.
Come on.
That was a learning experience.
Come on. Well hynna. We got down. No, looks mean and. Fuck man.
Boosting up.
Bastard. Baby hwnna. Uffar ni da fanna. Oh my god, Dymrys.
Learning from that one.
Personne n'échappe à mon regard.
Yeah, we don't know. We demon trustio.
Mobility increasing. Burning them down.
Start.
Turning up the heat.
Som min team efo
Adaptation complete.
som min team efo'r un person sy'n gallu just nôl y thing yna. Fancy nôl.
Moving up.
Go ar Tracer.
Being activated. Adjusting angle of attack.
Ah! Back with health.
Learning from that one.
Just y basti mynd i aros o'ch yna, da. Be, sy'n rhaid spin i hwn o yma. Oh my god, sy'n dda one shot ti fi fyna?
Recover your flag.
O'n i eisiau gwybod sy'n i di marw.
Thank you, Dr. Ziegler.
Your flag was returned.
Oedd o'n dodge, da. Oedd o'n dodge iawn.
My servants never die.
Oh my god, I'm stuck.
Repairing internal circuitry. 10 seconds. Flight routine activated. Adaptive circuits engaged.
Sudden death.
Oh my god.
Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
Stick to the plan. Stick with the plan.
Personality synchronization 100%. Good to be back.
Sgynna ni'm rynnar, nag oes?
4, 3, I like this.
Ai fi di rynnar?
Together, we can solve any problem.
Damage increased.
Oh my god, maen nhw'n...
Double kill. Triple kill.
Regeneration complete. Switching back to combat mode.
The enemy has taken your flag.
Oh, for fuck's sakes.
Hurry and recover our flag.
No, the guy. No! O'n i'n wirio yn y meddwl o'n i'n gallu just...
Play of the game.
YOLO fo. Un gêm arall. Mor agos i cael lootbox arall. Dwi eisiau lootbox. Hapus ydyn.
The enemy has taken your
For
flag.
fuck's sakes.
Cheers, love! The cavalry's here!
Oh, but... Oh.
Where were we? Wicked!
Your team has captured the flag. Score 2-0. You have the flag.
I'll be taking this!
Flag.
Dropping the flag!
The enemy has taken your flag.
Brilliant!
You have the flag.
I have the flag! Heading back to base.
Get our flag back.
Much better. That's enough.
Ah!
Flag dropped. The enemy has captured your flag. Enemy flag returned.
EMP activated.
Back to work.
Widowmaker here.
Boosting up.
Oh, let's break it. Damn!
No, not the time! No, no! What's it do about flag? This is, oh my god! This is all winning! Big after winning! Bunking! Big after winning! Flag! This is winning flag! I'm a flipping... This is a dirt chip though! She got in for a good player, innit? Although very much she took my chance. I'm an untaster. Timing, hwnna. Fel yn ia, un o'r best runs fi yn capture the flag. This is fucking... Fe'n tydio? Fe'n tydio? 2000, ti'n gwybod be? Mae'n aros yn 2000. Mae'n aros yn 2000. Cancel. Mae'n Dwi'n falch mae gyd ar y hein I gyd. O'n i'n trio esbonio I rywun sy'n streamio concept fi I hwn. A oedd o'n yn dall o de. Dwi'n enjoyo fo. Faint dwi ddim yn enjoyo fo eiliad yma. Dwi'n meddwl hyn dylai channel points fo. Dwi'n trio siarad efo Owain a Morgan. Dwi'n os nhw'n y chat yma. Hyn di channel points I fo. Mae channel points yn chwarae angen works to be done, ne? Unwedig os ti'n low level streamer yma. As So, I get it. So, well, chdi'n gwneud rhywbeth fun fel la ddim, ie. The highlights message. Highlights message rhwng... Looking... Yeah. Anyway, diolch yn fawr iawn am redeemio hwnna. Mae hwnna'n 2,000 llai ar gyfer y mug. Iawn. So ddim loot boxes yn Overwatch 2, by the way. For fuck's sakes. Ooh, okay, so dwi wedi cael currency. 50 o'n diwedd. Faint o coins gyda fi fan? 10, 50. Okay, couple of games. Cael maen o yma. Un. Ond dwi'n mwyn gwybod beth arall I wneud efo'r... So, basically, gyda fi thing nhw streamer bot, a mae'n gallu'n absolutely rhywbeth. Mae'n gallu trigro rhywbeth o fewn i'w OBS, neu o fewn Twitch. Lla cael rhywbeth I trigro yn y Twitch chat hefyd. Neu... So, dwi'n bod yn meddwl ffyrdd eraill lle eisiau channel points. Yn y ffordd, O'n i'n di meddwl, beth o'n i'n di meddwl am hyn? Yna ffordd iddo fo, agor websites. Ond i'n meddwl dyn, so hwnna'n gallu mynd lawr y lôn really dodge, sa. So, sa chdi yn... So, mae'n gweithio, dwi wedi ffigro allan. Sa chdi gallu redeemio, go to this website, ti'n reid y URL yn y message, channel point message, a sa fo'n automatically agor hwn yma. So mae hwnna'n opsiwn, de. Ond, mae hwnna'n dod â stwff eraill I fewn wedyn, di. So... Mae 2,000 yn hen ddigon. Dwi eisiau gwneud lot o'r gwirion. So dwi'n gallu cael fideo I chwarae. Dwi'n gwybod beth arall I wneud arall. Voice changer yn un. Dwi'n gallu gwneud voice changer. Hwna'n opsiwn. Dwi'n gallu... So mae'n cicio fewn efo... So mae'n cicio fewn efo hwn, de? Het fi bach yn wonky, dwi'n yn symud het fi, dwi'n do. Transform. So mae'n hynna. So mae'n gallu hynna I fi, de?
Welcome to Aitea. Prepare for battle.
A ni'n meddwl, Mae Snapchat efo software ar PC lle ti'n gallu iwsio Snapchat filters fatha webcam source. Ond yn meddwl hynna, sa chdi gallu channel points so 5 munud o fi yn hynna. Ond dwi'n sôn. So mae hwnna'n opsiwn. Okay, dwi'n lycio'r syniad yna ddo. Cos mae streamer bots da hefyd yn gallu gwneud stwff yn C++ os isio. So allu just codio rhywbeth, pan ti'n redeemio rhywbeth. So dim just channel point, allu exclamation mark. Ti'n neud? Dwi'n gwybod swm di effe beth o fyny fan. Efo, so fe gyda hwnna, da?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So, hwnna o'n i'n gweithio ar. So, chdi exclamation mark test, oedd oedd y text i fyny fyna dweud. So...
Changing battlefield conditions. And good luck. Locking on.
Oh my god!
The enemy has taken your flag.
So, it's the exclamation mark test. So, mae hwnna yr un... Cos o'n i licio... Dwi'n trio cael y thing ma sgyn Limmy. Lle di reid rhywun yn y hot seat. Lle am cweith cael y weithio trwy streamer bot. Y concept, lle.
Your flag was returned.
I finished them off.
Your team has captured the flag. Score
Flight routine activated.
1-0.
Yeah, spotlight. So... Mae'n digon o...
Stabilizing system core.
Mae'n digon o scope yn streamer bot i fi gallu neud hynna. Fi just yn quite di cael o i weithio.
Restoring health systems. Executing flight maneuvers.
Your team has dropped them down. Enemy flag returned.
Ond ie, gallu di, fatha... Ie, sa'ch chi exclamation mark test. Os ti'n mod, dwi'n bod ti'n gallu neud o. Ond dwi'n methu cweith cael o'i just i repeatio y user wedyn. A hefyd, really, os dwi'n hollol onast, efo faint o pobl sy'n watcha fi, fysa spotlight bach yn pointless.
Mobility increasing.
The enemy has taken your flag.
We need to get our flag back.
Recover your flag.
It's better than not a flag ever.
Your flag was returned.
Sorry, Genji. I've been practicing.
Your team has dropped the flag.
Let me see.
You have the flag.
Bringing the flag.
Bastard! Ei, diolch yn fawr i ti. Diolch am sticio gwmpas. Bydd i to nesa. Oh, so sneaky.
And recover your flag.
Neural adaptation complete.
Ooh.
Your flag was returned. The enemy has recovered your flag.
Engage. Genji.
The enemy has taken the flag.
Personality certification complete.
Bastard, it's got
Has captured your flag.
That's bad.
Score 1-1.
Boosting up.
The enemy has taken your flag.
We need to get our flag back. Lock on my target. Flight routine activated.
Oh my god, the brace.
Cover your flag. The enemy cover your flag.
Focus with me.
Personne n'échappe à mon regard.
Your flag was returned.
Restoring health systems.
O, nie mógł allan dim fi oedd o.
The enemy has taken your flag. Recover your flag.
Neural adaptation complete.
Your flag was returned.
Taking off.
Your team has dropped the flag. Your team has the flag.
Locking on.
Your team has dropped the flag.
Target stuck. Lifting off.
Your team has the flag.
Lock on my target.
Your team has dropped the flag.
No! No, no, no.
Enemy flag returned.
Regeneration complete. Switching back to combat mode.
Genji is with you.
Sniper, don't get caught.
Adjusting angle of attack.
The enemy has taken your flag. Recover your flag.
Drop our flag. Focus with me.
Returning the flag.
Was returned.
Activated.
Sudden death.
Oh no. No.
Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
Cheers, love! The cavalry's here!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Last one there's a rotten egg!
Hey, check in. Diva online. Time to show my skills.
Your team recovered. Your team has dropped the flag.
No! No, 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 no.
Play of the game.
Bloody hell. Last game. Last professional game of the night.
Traveling to Icon. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Dan zou ik gewoon doen.
I'm a one-man apocalypse.
One man apocalypse, here I come.
Order will be restored.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Has arrived.
There's something on your dress.
No, there isn't.
What are you looking at?
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective.
That's that. So the cock you now. Oh my god, here we. No.
Objective lost. Stop the payload.
Oh my god. Paratij. Dan hier nu wel een goed niet doen.
My servants never die.
Fantastic results. Fantastic. Enemies
Sterben nicht.
Styling spinner kerang. I can't. Shit. Stack. Fuck the fucker all one, yeah? Shit.
Performance levels.
60 seconds remaining.
Ja, men even there. 15 kill streak am arw reit yn diwedd. Shit, spinning hyn. Oh no, no! O'n i mor cocio hwnna. O'n i mor cocio hwnna. Da iawn. Na, maen nhw'n steamroller ni.
Roadhog rides again.
Oh my god.
Barrier won't hold together. My barrier is destroyed.
Stad, what's doing up? Just doing up big time. Oh no! No!
Team kill. Defeat. Play of the game.
O, dwi wedi colli Oliver. Ideal. Ie. Dyma fi am hynna. Chi dydsi am bod yn y chat. Os mae'n lurkers. Diolch i'ch lurkers. Ie. Bod fo eraill ei stream efo hefyd. Os dim mwyd fy'n. Ond ie, diolch yn fawr. Dwi'n galw hi fanna. Goodbye am y tro. Goodbye. Wow, mae hwn yn rili intense. Eisiau disgwyl hwn yn y chwarae. Hwn yn mynd efo high octane commentary class. Ond hwyl.